Hi. Okay, so we're basically going to look at some digital marketing tools, and of course you get this video. So once you get it, you can always look at each of them and see, how they apply to you. We look at Google Analytics. It's we'll show us Google Analytics and Web Analytics. It's just about basically measuring traffic to your website. The traffic that gets your website, you're able to see people who visit. That's why I said it's targeted. Digital marketing is targeted. You can see the number of people who visit your websites, the males, the females, the phones they used, where they visited your website from, how long they spent there, and all those things. Google Alerts can also talk about googlealerts.com. Of course, you would see where your brand is mentioned, and you know what's mentioned about Google Keyword Planner. It's for SEO. When we get to SEO, we'll talk about Google Keyword Planner. Okay, and SEM also uses Google Keyword Planner. Google URL Shortener. Now, Google URL Shortener is something of this sort. I'll just show us what it is, and Google URL Shortener. Just go to Google URL Shortener. Okay, let's see. I'm kind of looking for a long link. Okay, Google URL Shortener. This is it. Okay. Okay, let me use this. Okay, so copy the link. You get a very long link, so as long as it's this, you just paste it here. Okay, and then it gives you something like this. So you can use this sort of thing in a text message. You don't want to place such a long link in a text message. You take up this space. You can copy this and put it in a text message. That's it. So when we get to bulk SMS, I will show us a couple of companies that you can use bulk SMS with and all that. Okay, so the next one would be Alexa.com. With Alexa.com, you will see the ratings of your several websites. So you want to advertise on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, engage and all those likes, and you want to see the traffic they get. You can go to Alexa.com to see that. You can also go to Alexa.com to see the traffic your website also gets to, but it's not as important for you as Google Analytics. Google Analytics is more detailed for you, and it's free. Analytics is free to an extent, and if you want to get more, it's cost. Now, IMAR tools. Let's look at IMAR tools. Look at what IMAR tools does for you. Alexa, Rank Checker, Chassis Checker. Chassis is coding language for a website. Once you see, let's see if I can find it here. View page source. Okay, let's see if I can find the chassis here. It's okay, that's it. This is the meta chassis. Okay, now you see it. That's the meta chassis. Okay, so it also converts your chassis. Sitemap creator, that's for SEO. We'll get there. Typo generator, word code generator, link generator. It generates links just like we did earlier. Link builder builds a link for you. So you look at this and you see all the advantages you can get from it. Okay, and then this scoop.it, as mentioned here. Scoop.it. Let's look at what scoop.it does. You see, it researches and publishes the best content. I was talking about content marketing, so you can research content here for articles, and then you publish it. So it gets you the kind of content that is engaging enough. So here you can research how to help your content marketing on that scoop.it. Now look at this. This one you can find whatever you're looking for on the web and keep it here. It's as good as your online diary. Okay, so that's one. That's another. Okay, so of course scoop.it is also listed here, so you can check it. Curata.com. This is how to curate. The way to get content, curate content. Creating content means you are getting content that's not yours from the internet, but you are not copying and pasting. You are not doing plagiarism. Plagiarism is just copying and pasting. Here you are rather you are creating content, you are increasing your content velocity, just like I stated here, and you are taking content and writing them in your own words. So this tool here, Curator.com, will help you do that. Then Glock apps also. Okay, for Glock apps, there's Hootsuite. Hootsuite is where you can put your social media platforms together in one space and start posting from here. So you can schedule your posts. Post you want to do for a week, you can schedule them and do them all here in Hootsuite. Okay, so that way you don't have to create a timetable and follow the timetable every day of the week. You can just follow the timetable in one day, one singular day, create all your posts for a week or for a month, and then it starts pushing automatically on its own. Now look at Glock apps rather is to test and optimize your emails, identify and fix issues that keep your emails going from going to the inbox. Sometimes you send emails in email marketing and it keeps going to the promotion tab or the spam tab. These two can help you to prevent that. Just do a testing here and it will help you to prevent that. Okay, so yeah, let's move on. We'll talk about what's my SERP. This is your SERP is your search engine responsive page. Search engine responsive page. I'll show us what a search engine responsive page is. Okay, let me just go back here. So I don't do, this is a search engine responsive page. This is search engine responsive page. Once you search on the search engine and those things that come up here in this place is a search engine responsive page. Okay, so what's my SERP.com is a tool to help you see how you are performing on the search engine responsive page. Your SEO will help you generate much presence on the first page of Google or close to the first page of Google. Your search engine, what's my SERP is just a tool to determine where you are on the SERP and how you can better help yourself. Google Trends is just a way to find trends, topics that are trending on the web, and to talk about them. Twitter is also good for this. SoundCloud.com is a place where you upload, is a website where you upload your your podcast and all that. There's Premier, personalhub.io, Premier by Google. Okay, let's just look at what to talk about it. TweetDeck, we'll talk about it. It's just a place where you manage all your Twitters in one place. TweetDeck will look into it once you get to Twitter. SimilarWeb works exactly like Alexa, just that Alexa is much better. Okay, and then we look at brand side, we look at social mentions. I can also look at this sites. So I go Twitter.com, so also there's Tsunomi.com. Look at each of them and see how it helps your brand. Okay, then tools for bulk SMS live, SMS.com. These sites you can always just look at any of them and sign up with them to do bulk SMS. Alright, sign up to them to do bulk SMS. So that's about digital marketing tools. So yes, that's it. So we'll go on to the next video. Alright, thank you.